6 minus 6 equals 0, and again, 6 minus 6 equals 0, and the product of 0 and 0 equals 0. However, this answer is completely incorrect because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. In calculations, we must always follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. The first priority is P for parentheses. After that, it's time for E for exponents. Then, we do M, multiplication, and D, division, from left to right. Finally, we calculate A, addition, and S, subtraction, also from left to right. Now, before solving the question, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss future videos. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have multiplication and subtraction here, and multiplication has priority. After performing the multiplication, the expression becomes 6 minus 36 minus 6, then we move from left to right, so 6 minus 36 minus 6 equals negative 36.
The upcoming videos are going to be truly special. Subscribe now so you don't miss out.